Yo, if you have diabetes, come here. Now I'm going to tell you what we do. Yeah, man, for reverse diabetes in our clients them. So first thing first, then go up on the website, see it here, and then purchase the diabetes package. Now the diabetes packages consist of a consultation where me teach you the pros and the cons, me teach you the lie about the sugar machine, me teach you about, me give you nutrition, me teach you how they have your name on record, so when you're ready for go test back your diabetes, you don't go back at the same hospital. You go far, like you're there far and you come to Jamaica, you do a test. Zane, me teach you, me give you a nutritional schedule where you stick to. We also send you the remedies of a heavy parasite cleaner that consists of a binder which you call heavy metal detox. We remove mercury from your brain. We're behind a mercury parasites that controls the heartbeat of the diabetes disease so that the doctor can continually collect from you. We kill, we remove the shield, then we have access to a parasite because you stop eat the food them to make them reproduce, you go have them right in the middle at your fingertips where you can destroy them and pass them out in many pieces. Now, if you want to believe a doctor and still have one of your foot in a doctor pocket, you can't put one over here, so you have to totally give us the control. You understand what I say? That the remedy for diabetes, we make you move from milk, cheese and butter from animals. Meat, we make you stick to only fish. No sugar. Yes. We also make you leave alcohol alone. And we put you upon a regime of one cooked food meal a day if you have to. Now, guinea pin on my teeth. Now, a guinea or mango, one of them, glad of fruits and meat. Now, what we do also, we journey with you, so you have access to our WhatsApp and you buy something from us, shove it in your mouth, try to call, we try to text us and you cannot hear back from us. So come over, see there, see the website there, purchase diabetes package and then we can talk. Naturally, me go off contact you and do the consultation. You don't have to call me before you purchase. Yeah man, when you're ready, I only time I want you come over here, so. When you're ready for Lego a sugar machine, when you're ready for Lego a medication that maintain the diabetes, the sugar machine that shows you any sugar. If you take fruit sugar that is easy to burn and use up in our body, when oxygen lits it, it go show you the sugar on the sugar machine. While that is not the sugar that is dangerous. The sugar that is dangerous is the one from sugar cane that is in drinks, biscuit, the one you use to sweeten tea. You substitute the tea one for honey, which is the bee's vomit, of course. I recommend it, not Dr. Swaby, but I, because, yeah man, I have practices and studies in apiculture, the study of bees, and I know that it is pure. Now, the diabetes people, come on in. Don't come if you're not ready. Yeah man, a change is over here, so you have to willing to let go illegal drugs dealer. Then tell us a diabetes can't cure. Why would you stay with them? Which one of them you ever see fixie with their medication? Most of these medication, what it does is create an acidic ground so that the parasites may be prepared to hibernate and eventually multiply. Or peanut in my teeth, yeah. So, yeah man, see the website there, we don't talk. Yeah man, new book, Earth, Amazon on the website here in Jamaica. New mindset, get the book, Earth, book 1.